everyone, I'm Amyra Dastur and I'm going to be a part of Cosmo India's work from home issue. So today I'm going to do a face spa at home to show you how you can keep your skin healthy and glowing. Okay guys, so after washing your face thoroughly, just make sure you wipe it properly. Make sure your skin is absolutely dry. There shouldn't be a bit of water on it at all. Okay. So first we're going to start with a normal mud, or you can even use a clay mask, and we're going to apply it all over the face and let it dry for 20 minutes. Don't forget your neck. Okay, 20 minutes. Okay everyone, so it's been about 20 minutes for me. You can see now when it's properly dry, it'll start cracking a little bit. See all of that? If it's not cracking and if you can still feel some of the residue on your fingers, then that means that it's not like completely done. So make sure it's completely dry, and now time to go wash your face and get all of this off, and off to step number 2. Okay, so after you've washed off your mud or clay mask, you're going to feel like your skin is a little tight. That's because we've sort of taken off all the layers and the oils using the mud or the clay mask. So now we have to rehydrate our skin. I'm going to use a really nice cucumber sheet mask to do this. Okay, sit tight for 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been a good 30 minutes and now let's take it off. So you can take the mask and actually wipe your face with it so that you actually get it properly moisturized. So as you can see, it's still a little wet. Let it set in a bit. And then we're gonna do the last but not the least. Okay, so now this is my favorite part. All you need is either a plant-based oil, or for me, for that glow, I really like a jojoba or a vitamin E oil. And this is actually a small combination of both. So you'll start by applying a few drops on your skin. Now, this is a suction cup. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use it to sort of create that natural glow. So you have to do this for about max 1 to 2 minutes, and you have to press on. Make sure it's got a good grasp of your skin, like that. And just move it. You can even see the redness over here, so that's what's gonna happen. So 1 to 2 minutes. Basically, you're creating a little more blood circulation. Now, for the smaller areas and for your neck, to get a better grip, you need a smaller suction. Now, let it settle, give it about 5 minutes, and wait for the results. And that's it. If there's any excess oil, you can just dab it off. But you've managed to maintain a healthy skin and a natural glow.